This is my 98 Mazda MPV, and it is in Marina Green Metallic with champagne lower body cladding. It is the Allsport four-wheel drive model. It has a locking differential, shift on the fly, at up to 60, in and out of four-wheel drive at 65 miles per hour. Okay, we'll do the cold start. Key on. This is the center stack with the AC, heat, ventilation. Air conditioner button is over here. Rear controls for the AC and heat. 15 presets for AM and FM, CD. Take a little drive down the road and back. You can see the four-wheel drive selector. You can shift in and out of four-wheel drive up to 65 miles an hour. This is your overdrive cancel. And here is your locking differential. Cruise control, fog lights, and then to set your cruise control, you use this. Okay, we're in drive. Okay, you can further see some of the other controls here. Interior lights. Captain's chairs in the front. Driver's side. Express down on the driver's window and rear window lockout so children can't open them. Rear door, driver's side. Captain's chairs in the middle row. They slide backwards and forward. The previous owner did spill some paint on the back floor. Rear bench. Open the hatch here. This rear bench folds down. It'll fold down all the way like that, and then it also will flip forward. I can do that for a second. And if you move the center row seats up a little further, flips fully forward. It also removes, comes out. Passenger side. It does have a crease above the doors from the previous owner. This is the passenger side. Passenger side has all the owner's manuals, everything that came with it. It does have a storage tray under here, and in here is the original owner's purchase contract. Three-liter V6. I do have what Mazda calls a grill guard that comes with it. There's the front view fog lights. Close the hood. It also has a luggage rack with crossbars. And hopefully you can hear the exhaust. New tires, less than 6,000 miles on them.